Hey guys, with OnePlus 70 and OnePlus 70 Pro, OnePlus launched 4 smartphones in 2019 and now OnePlus is preparing for its next year's smartphone. I'm talking about OnePlus 8 series. Although it hasn't been much time since OnePlus 70 series was launched, but recently we've got many leaks about OnePlus 8 series smartphones. The early look of the front design of OnePlus 8 has come to us, and this gives us a good idea about the front design of OnePlus 8. So today in this video we are going to talk about the display of OnePlus 8. But before that, if you are watching the video on this channel for the first time, then subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon so that I can give you all the future updates related to OnePlus 8. So with that, I am Raj and now let's get in. So the Oppo Reno 3 and Oppo Reno 3 Pro are going to be launched in China on 26 December. The design of both these smartphones has been revealed recently. Now you must be wondering what it has to do with OnePlus 8. I'll tell you. OnePlus and Oppo are sub-brands of the same parent company, which is BBK Electronics. In the past, we have noticed many times that the smartphones of Oppo and OnePlus are very similar in terms of design, and the smartphones of these two companies share many design elements. Whether it is back panel or camera placement or front design, all these things are shared by Oppo and OnePlus smartphones. Now Oppo Reno 3 series is going to be launched in China in few days. The front design of these smartphones is quite sleek and interesting. In Oppo Reno 3 Pro, we get a very beautiful display panel in front. There is no notch in the display because it is a punch hole display panel. There will be a cutout in the display which will have a front camera. The cutout is placed in the top left corner of the display. This display is curved from both sides and the bezels here are also very small. Now recently we got renders of OnePlus 8 also. Here the front design of OnePlus 8 is very similar to the front design of Oppo Reno 3 Pro. Here we will get a punch hole display panel in OnePlus 8. The cutout is placed in the top left corner. So as I told you, these two smartphones are quite similar in terms of front design and display. And this is exactly why we can relate the display design of Oppo Reno 3 Pro to the display design of OnePlus 8. In OnePlus 8, we could get a 6.55 inches display panel. Here we will get a display panel with 120Hz refresh rate, which is a very good upgrade from the 90Hz refresh rate of OnePlus 70. The back panel here will be very similar to OnePlus 70 Pro's back panel. I have explained about the design of OnePlus 8 in my another video where I have talked about these renders. So if you want more details, you can check that video. With that, we are at the end of this video. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then like the video. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. If you have any questions regarding this topic, then feel free to ask them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as you leave and also press the bell icon so that you will be the first one to watch my videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am Raj and I will see you guys in my next video.